Welcome again to this tutorial on Canva. As usual, my name is Ifeanyi Christopher. And on this part of the video, we are going to take a look at how to design and produce a professional ebook using Canva. Now, you are not going to use a computer, a laptop, anything. All you need for this tutorial is your mobile phone, data, and Canva. Okay. Now, if you've watched my previous video, you already know how to set up your Canva, how to get the app, and how to get started. Okay. So, but not to worry, it's very simple. You can check the previous videos and watch it. So on this video, we are going to discuss how you can make and produce your professional ebook. You can sell it on Amazon or any other platform and make money. And this tutorial is completely free. So the ebook we are going to make is completely free. You're not going to pay any money to make it. You're going to write, produce it, and it's going to be on your phone. Very easy to share. All right. Now, before we get started, I believe you've already gotten the name, the title, the content of your ebooks ready. All right. So what Canva helps you to do is to design and produce the ebook. So the content, the name of the ebook is already yours. You have already make it unique and provided the whole information. Either you've typed it somewhere where you can copy and paste inside Canva, or you are typing it directly in Canva, you are writing it. It's all come from your head. Okay. So I believe you've gotten your content and your ideas ready. All right. Now, the things we are going to make in this ebook using this Canva is: number one, we are going to make the cover page. Yeah, the cover page of the ebook. Number two, the content of the ebook, whether the ebook have content. If it doesn't have, fine, you can start from chapter one and write, and after that we are going to produce it. All right. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So I believe you already know about the Canva interface, but if you haven't known about the Canva interface, it's very simple. We have the body where I'm scrolling now. You can see other things. Then we have the nav bar. On the nav bar, you can see the three dotted lines here. Okay. Okay. The search bar. Okay, and these are the various templates that they want you to click. Now you can see the bottom bar here, the nav bar bottom here. You can see uh the home in purple, highlighted in purple. You can see projects, the various projects you have done. You can see the round plus sign. This means creating a new project. Okay, you can see templates. All right, you can see using the pro version. So it's very simple. That's the interface of the Canva from up to down. So all these things I'm scrolling now are templates, and the projects I've recently done are here. That's it. Now, to start our process in making ebook, all we need to do is to click on templates. All right, you can create from scratch, but I just want to teach you how you can make ebook using Canva template. You can now modify it to your various uh, preferred choices. All right, so just click on template. All right, I click on template at the right hand side of the interface beside the plus and pro version. The template is in the middle between pro and plus version. Okay, I believe you've seen it now. So just click on it, template. All right, now allow you to load. All right, you can see something like present like a pro. Just ignore that. All right, okay. Now the search bar is the next thing you're going to see. You can see where they wrote search thousands of templates, right? Okay, this is where you are going to search the template we want. So what is the template we want? Ebook. You can see where I've already searched it before. So just type ebook. You can also type PDF. Okay, but just type ebook so that Canva will know what you want to create using their platform. So once you type ebook, just click on search. the search icon. All right, allow it to load. Allow it to load. All right, so the ebook templates and the interface have loaded. So let's leave it at that. Now you can come. There are 1278 templates. You can choose and make any ebook you want to make, and you can see the blank template. Now I always use blank when I want, because I want to brainstorm and do my things from scratch. But for your scope, let's build on existing templates. You get? All right, now let's get started. You can see these templates are ready to use. All these templates are free. This one is pro, this one is pro, this one is pro, it's not free to use. So select anyone you like, anyone you want, anyone that is uh, looking like what you are trying to build. Okay, you select the ones you want to build. So I think I like this stop thinking negative. I want to write a book about stop thinking negative, right? I just click on it. Simple. Once you click on it, the interface is loading. You allow it to load a little bit. Okay, here we go. It has loaded. So you can see the ebook here is it has loaded. So if you watched our previous lessons on graphic design and how to design template, it will be very simple and easy for you to tweak it and change to your desired name. Okay, so but apart from that, let me also show you what you can do here. All right. Okay, so now let's do this. The first thing we are going to do is to put your name, that name you've written down on your ebook. You can also change this color and everything if you don't want the color like this. So these templates are editable. Each one you click here, you can edit this, you can edit this, you can edit this, you can edit where your name should come from. So this is where you write your title. Let's say the title of this my ebook is Don't Stop Working. Okay, so I write don't stop, okay, working. I just want to make it faster. All right, it's okay. We are done with this. Okay, I'm not seeing it. I said don't stop working. I didn't see it, so I'm typing it again. So I've changed the title now to don't stop working. Right? Okay. So assuming I wanted something like work here, I want a picture that representing work. What am I going to do? Just like I wrote don't stop working, I want to add a design that's similar to work, although this is showing work and it's also good. All right, so I can just click on this plus sign that have this purple round, click on it. These are the elements here. Okay, so I can search element like work icon or workshop icon. Just click on it, allow it to load. Now you can see various templates. All right, you can see that these templates are paid, but keep searching. Okay, you have seen this one that is not paid. You can see this one. Keep searching, just allow it to load. Okay, now you are seeing a work related icon. Remember, it's icon that we are looking for, right? Yeah. So all right, so I like this style and there's something like this. Are you seeing this style? So I want it. What am I going to just click on it? That's all. It is there. So it has come there, so I can just decide to put it here. Don't stop working. You are getting the thing what I'm trying to do, right? So I'm not saying that yours will be like this. I'm just trying to give you some clue. So any element you want to add here, any element you want to add, just click on plus and search it. If you click on plus, you see element, design, text, and anything else you want to add. So if you want to remove, go back, don't click on go back, you can just drag this down. and that's it. So I just put don't stop working. If I want to twerk it, just click on it. You can move it to any side of the window. All right. So we have written the title. What we are designing is the cover page of the ebook. Now we've never started putting titles, right? Right. Okay. Now let's get started. Let's continue. Your name. Just put your name. Just come here and write your name. As simple as that. Delete this one and write Chris Iffy. Right? Okay, this is my name, right? Good. I've included Chris Iffy. So the tagline of your book, you can just write tagline. You can say, learn how to work effectively. Great. Okay. Okay. So I know your own might be a little bit much better, but I just want to use this and teach you. Right? Okay. I'm through with my cover page. Oh. I'm through with the cover page of my ebook. Great. This is the cover page of my ebook. Okay. Yours may be beautiful. Yours, you may brainstorm and check other cover page and copy and paste and use more beautiful ones. But I just want us to move on. Now, the next thing, if your book have content, right? That's the next thing we are going to do, to add a content, right? Now, there are many ways to do this. There are many ways to Do this. What I want to do now is to add another page to what I've created, right? So I can add another page. I click on plus here. Once the plus come, I just click on design. Once the design come, I can add another page, but I just want to show you a simpler way to do it. So once you highlight this, you can see the purple rectangle around this whole page, the whole rectangle, our ebook cover, and you can see the delete icon and the three dotted line icon. Okay, once you've highlighted it, so for you to go to the next page of your ebook, as simple as that, swipe to the left hand side like this. Next page, I want to create another page. Swipe page 3, page 4. Are you getting what I'm trying to say now? That's just it. As simple as that. So this is our first page. So this is our second page. So our second page now will be a page to write content, right? Table of content, the content of your ebook. I believe you've written them down. So this is our content page. Remember, this page is our front cover page. This is our content page. Great, you are catching it. Now, this content page, it comes with this black background. Our book will not be on black background. Very simple to change. Once you highlight it like this, you can see the purple rectangle shape around it. You click on color, you can see, you're already seeing the color. Just click on color. Okay, change the color to your desired output, preferably white. Okay, just click on it, it will change to white. As simple as that. You just close it. That's it. This is black, this is white. Now it's where we start working. So let's make your table of content. How do you make it? The same possible way. You can start typing. You can actually start typing something. You can just click on plus and write, start typing test. I can just come here and say test. They will ask me what type of text do I want to make. Is heading. I'll just come here and say heading. It will come. I'll now say table of contents. You get? Very simple. Okay. Now, from there, I can now go again and say, come to that. I can now come again and come here and write subtitle and say number one. Okay. Okay, this is it. So I'll now drag this one and say number one. Say number one. Uh, what is work? Right? I'm writing this book already. Number two, I can say how to work according to what you've written down on your ebook, on your how to work. according to how you've written down on your on your papers, your sketch, your manuscript. Okay, how to work. Number three, I can say number three here, types of work. Okay, and so on and so forth. Right? So this is going to take me time. So this is how we are going to do it, right? Very fine. If you are going to do yours right like this, it's very fine. But this is going to take me time. Okay? Let me just undo, and show you the best way I can do it. So I want you to do it as fast as possible. Undo, undo, always undo and undo. Good. It's back. Our empty page is back. Our title page, our empty page. So you want to include the table of content. It's very simple. The only thing you need to do is just start changing the titles that Canva have already made for you and just add yours. Okay, that's what makes it so unique. That's why I want you to just use the Canva already made templates on table of content. So you click on plus version plus here, click on design and search for table of content. I've already typed it. Okay, you can see table of contents are here. You can see table of content. You can see. Now just choose any one of them. This is 4 pages, this is 5 pages, this is 9 pages. Okay, let me open this up and see what it's all about. Okay, now you can see the table of content. The second page here is table of content. I can just click on it, just take a look at this, and it is there. You understand? I just clicked on it and it is there. This is our cover and this is the table of contents. So this one we added now has been designed from Canva. Let me start afresh. I know you are lost. Let me start afresh. Let me delete it. Okay. Let me undo it. Undo. It's clean. Remember we typed the table of content manually, but I said no. I want you to use a pre-designed table of content from Canva. How do I get it? I click on the plus version, plus button. Let me go back. Once you click on the plus, it is going to give you template on ebooks because it's ebook we are designing. But come to the search bar. Here, there's a search bar here. Just come here, type table table of content. Contents, right? And click on table of content. And here we go, it's loading. Just give it some minutes, it will load. Okay, now you are going to see table of content of many ebooks. All right, so you just choose the one that you want and here it goes. All right, so I want to use this one, organic. I want to see how this one is. This one that is written organic, that with a green door, right? Just click on it. It is not yet added to your, okay, this is not the type of table I want, right? I close it. I just go back. Okay, let's try this Francis Basic. When you are doing yours, you will see. Good. Now you see content, fragrant finances, finance basics. You can see content. I told you I'm not going to edit this video, so when you are doing your own, you see it the same way it is. All right. Now I have seen the table of content I want. So I will just, they will ask you apply all the 12 pages. Don't apply. Just click on any of these templates you want. And what we want here is table of content. And you can already see from the interface, the number 2 uh, page here is written content. So what you're going to do is simple. Click on it. Allow it for like 3 to 5 seconds. Click on it. I've just clicked on it. Just allow it. It is going to load immediately, and here we go. So we have a table of content. Ladies and gentlemen, our book is coming to light. The title of our book and the table of contents. So this content now That's why I was telling you it's professionally made, very professional, right? It's professionally made. Okay, so if I want to change anything there, I can also change all the thing. I'll just use my two hands and zoom in. Just always do this. You know how to zoom in on your phone already. You already know it, right? I will just zoom in. So I can take this anywhere I want it. Maybe I don't want this cross line, right? I don't want this cross line. What am I going to do? I delete it. It's gone. I zoom out again. Okay. Drag my content here and place it. This is so nice. You can see we want it to be white, but it's milk color. Just highlight the whole area and change the color to white. Here we go. We are there. Close. Fine. These are table of content. Now go ahead and change everything here. Introduction. You just use introduction in your table of content on your ebook. If it is, leave it. Chapter 1. What is the chapter 1? Blah 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 blah. I want to change it. You just write since we are talking about work, let's talk about work. Let's do something like this. What is work? You're getting the concept now. Not to worry. What is work? Okay, this is number one. So I'm not going to change all of that. I just want us to go fast and do it immediately. I'm deleting all this. So this is their table of content. So we've just changed the table of content now. So remember, page 1, your book. Page 2, table of content. The next page is where we write introduction and chapter 1, right? Good. So let's swipe. You already know we swipe. Hmm? We change the background color. Come to color, click on white, right? And close it. But this is not white, right? But let's leave it. Okay, since we are doing white, let's do white or two. Okay, this is white, right? For our concept. So what are we going to write now? Introduction. This is where you start writing your books, right? Good. So white, chapter 1. How are we going to write it? The same way. I told you two ways. You can write manually. Come here, come to text and write add a heading. Click on here and write uh, chapter 1. Hmm? Chapter 1. Chapter 1. But this is going to be hard for you. Like always, it's going to be hard for you. You don't need that. Canva already have chapters, pages, content already made for you as a template. What you are going to do, close it, undo, 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 and undo. You get? Fine. This is chapter. Remember, table of content we just made. This is the chapters. Okay. Go back to your plus button. Click on plus. Everything here is made simple. Okay. Now you see that ebook content. Scroll. You can see already if it's a magazine you are writing now. These are the chapters of the magazines. How it is designed, but it's not what we want. All right. We want a chapter that we have a chapter introduction in the beginning and the body will be serial, and at the end it will write the name and the title. So just search the templates here and see the ones that is suitable for you. On that table of content, just go ahead and search the template. You can see the table of content. This one is more beautiful than others. All right. Okay. Now just search. Is loading. Is loading. I don't want it to load. So just search here and type ebook content, ebook content, or you can say ebook pages. You search it so that you will see a similar version of what you want to achieve in ebook. You just put it on your work, right? So write ebook contents, right? This one has 11 contents. This one has pro version. So without wasting much of your time, let's just click on this, a guide for a new UG's content creators only. Okay, you can see the content, how it is. It's written in 3 places, but I don't like it. But I think I like this. The last one that said, embrace your journey. I like it. We can use that, but let's leave it. Let's still search for content. Let's see this finance and see. This, okay, this is the one we used before. Let's leave it. You just have to do a thorough search. Don't settle for less. Search and see. Okay. So I want to show you the various things I do, in my ebook. Beautiful. We have seen something similar of what I want to create. So you can see this introduction, how it is. It is exactly my mindset of what we want to create in our book. Instead of dividing the pages into two, why not? Let's use this introduction. So click on it and put it in our ebook. Here we go. Let's change the color, and it's white. Good. Yeah, we have gotten what we want. So you can see this template. Here we go. This template is made for us. Remember introduction, and this is introduction, right? Great. So this is our introduction. You can write a short form of what you want to do. You can see this is grouped, and I don't want to group it. I will ungroup, right? I don't want to group it yet, so I'm going to ungroup, right? So this is it, what you want to write. If you want to change any of these things, now go and start copying and pasting from your manuscript. So I can now say introduction. I can now say on this book, on this book, work is, sorry for the spellings, okay? On this book, work is an intangible, intangible aspect, intangible aspect, thank you Grammarly, intangible aspect of our life, our life. Grammarly, come again. Okay, of our life, right? I believe you've written your content down somewhere. What you need to do is remove this Lauren Epipson $sit Ahmed, right? And include your content. You can copy it. Is where your notepad inside your phone and paste it on your Canva. If you want to write from scratch, good. If you want to copy, just click anywhere on this page. Start deleting them. I want to delete all of them at the same time. All right. I want to delete all of them at the same time. I will just select all of them and start deleting. See, I've deleted this. I've deleted this. So I believe you're getting already what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to pull all these things out and start writing, putting my own general content in. Okay. Okay. Start putting my manuscript in. I saw select all now, but I didn't do that. Okay. So that's the way you are going to do your own too. So I've cleaned all the things. Now I want to write my own. So I'll write my own. In the beginning, I'll say in the beginning, God created and everything was fine, and God told you to work. And I will write it from there. I'll write 1 million pages, 30 million pages, and so on and so forth. But I believe you already have your manuscript. So all you need is to paste, copy and paste. So I will just highlight everything here, and paste, right? You can see where the right option of paste. If you click on paste, you paste everything you've written down. And just in case there's something that we normally do that is over big, let me undo now. Let me undo. I want to show you any area you are making a mistake. I want to undo everything. I want it to be as big as everything else. Because this aspect of ebooking is very sometimes it's very large. Okay, now let me ungroup all these things, right? I want to ungroup them. Ungroup, click on ungroup, and all of them is on group. So all of them now is on its own. Remove this down one, delete them, delete. Okay, this page is done. So you want to write to the next page, right? uh, what I want you to check, whenever you've written something, always check when your page is breaking. Like I want my page to be like this. Whenever I'm writing something, once it passed this way, once it passed this way, I want to cut it out. So cut that part. Go to your manuscript, know where you stopped. You already know what I want to say. Know where you stop, so that when you go to the next page, you continue from there. So cut those parts out. Like I want to write something now. I'm writing something. I will still write. I will now click enter. Right, enter, right. You understand what I'm doing now? Okay, let's see. Let's see the resultant effect of what I did now. It's already choking these pages, and this is not how I want my ebook to be. So whenever you are copying, maybe you copy something that is so long that the page is filled up. What are you going to do? Cut it from where you want your page to be. That's why I brought this template, so that we don't create from scratch, so that you will know where the see where the introduction starts, you see where the last word is. Very perfect. So each time it passes this line, make sure that you cut it, and once you cut that part, mark where you stopped copying from or where you wrote last, and move on to the next page. So when you want to, if you move on to the next page, now you can see it's empty. Nothing is written there. I don't want you to go and get a template again. All I want you to do now is just copy and paste. Come here, copy this introduction. I highlighted it. Once you highlight it, click on the three dotted line. You can see the command here, copy. Just click on copy. It's copied, right? You move on, you swipe. Sorry, allow the page, you swipe. You come here. Once you come here, you click on paste. Once you come here, just scroll, you see the more button. Just click on paste. The introduction has come. Now that's it. You Since you are continuing with the introduction, just leave intro. You can position it where you want it to be, right? Okay, just go back, copy the body, this body. Now click on this three dotted line, click on copy, go back, come here, three dotted line again, click on paste. It has come. You continue pasting or writing what you want to. You finish writing from this page. Now you shift to the next page, the same way, you click on paste and continue, and go, and anything you want to get, just I've already made this template is already made for you. Anything you want to get, you just come. You want to get this subtitle, just click on this three dotted line, copy, scroll on those pages. That is where you have to be meticulous. Okay, highlight, you scroll on those pages. This is where I want to paste it, right? Just click on this three dotted line and click on paste. Drag it up to where you want to design your ebook, and finish. So this is how you are going. I don't want to go front on and on. You've already gotten the concept already. This is how you write page 1 till the end of your book. So once you finish assuming the next page, we are ending the ebook on the next page, right? Assuming the next page, let me paste again. I click on paste, okay, and say this is the end, share the end of my ebook. Okay, so this is it. I've ended the ebook. Remember, our ebook started from here. Page 1, don't stop working. Content, introduction. You already know how I got the introduction. We wrote the introduction, chapter 1. You mean this is chapter 1? This that's introduction. This one is chapter 1. Uh, chapter 1. Chapter 1. What is work? Right? What is work? Don't mind my writing. What is work? Oh my god. All right. So chapter 1, what, and you wrote all these things in what is work and chapter 1, right? So you've come to the end of your ebook, but you're missing something, numbering. You can see this number, right? So just go ahead, start numbering them. I know I want you to do it one by one, so that when you are numbering it, you are checking your work. All right, just our normal way. The ones you want to number, just come here, copy this number, copy. Okay, now where do you want to put it? The book starts numbering from 1. Where do you want the number to be, up or down? You want anywhere you want it. Just as you copy that thing now, as you've copied it, what you are going to do is simple. Come to this three dotted line and click on paste. Okay, it has pasted, right? Now carry it. Most books are numbered below. This is where it is. Zoom in. You know how to zoom in with your phone. You use your two hands and expand. You click, you make it 0 1, right? Good. This is 0 1. Making point, right? Number 1. The same thing here. The same thing, the same process. Paste. Carry it. That's the work you have to put. You have to put a lot of work on it to produce your own ebook, but it's very simple and it's worth it, right? I just want to remove something so that it can be able to you can be able to do it, right? Okay, I've done it. Okay, and you just double click on it, zoom in. Each time it's not working, just zoom in your window and write 0 2. So that's the way you go through it. Number them, number them 0203 to 0100, the title of your ebook. And after you might have done that, you cross check your work. After you might have done that, this is 02, right? This is 01, this is the content. After you might have done that, you cross check it, and now you come to the end of your ebook. Remember, you cannot do this a day. You can do it in when I started, I can do my ebooks in a day. Once I finish writing it down, I'll just copy and paste and design as I want. But your own, you can take time, a week, a day, do your own, a month, write gradually and do it. So once you've completed writing your ebook, you now have to export it. It's very simple. There's two ways to export. Don't click on export. Click on this one that is going up. Click on this one that is going up. There is two drop down arrows here. There is two arrows. One is pointing up, share. The other one is download. Don't click on the download. Once you click on the download, you are going to download it as a you are going to download only this template. But click on this one up. This one is called share. Just click on the share button. So I'm clicking on it now. So it will now ask you download, share link, invite, present. Okay, share to Facebook. Just click on download. Okay, now when you click on, this is the magic that happens. Let me go back again. We are come to the end of our ebooking. The design, you've written as many as you want, and this is the end. Okay, you want to export it now. You understand? These things are in picture format. So this is where the magic happens. You're going to export it as a PDF. not as a picture. Okay, so this is how you do it. When you look at this interface here, you can see this drop down button. This one is called save. When you click on this save, it's going to take you as a picture. It's going to assume that you are making a picture, but no, you are going to click on this share button, the one that is up, this one that is up arrow. Okay, just click on it. Click on it. Now it will give you various options. Do you want to invite somebody to write your ebook? You can also do it. Okay, do you want to view only template? Do you want to link the template? Do you want to do it as a presentation? But no, we don't want to share it. We don't want to share. We don't want to do it on Gmail. All we want to do is to download our ebook. But then before we do that, let's go back because I forgot something. Before we do that, the thing we are going to do now is to write the correct title of our ebook, because the title of our ebook is Canva has given it automatic title, like that title this template comes with. Let me show you. If you click on this horizontal three dotted line here, this one here, I will click on it. You will see the title of the ebook. You see import, create, import, view. Now this is test featured safe handmade ebook. That's the title, and that's the title. How this is the title is going to appear on your phone when you send it out. Because you are not, if you are using a PC, you can actually edit the title. But the mistake you make if you don't edit this. So click on this pencil icon and edit the title. You can say what the title should be. What is work by Ife Chris, right? Is it what I wrote, right? Okay, so this is the title now, right? Great. When you start your ebooking, always remember this title. I'm not going to edit this video, I promise you, so that you see that you can also make mistakes and correct yourself. Okay, so we have saved the title. Now we are good to go. Let's drag down. So we are good to go completely. We've built this ebook complete. This is it. So let's click on this share button, not this save one. Share. Let's go back. So we want to download it. Let's click on download. So this is where the magic happens. How many pages we made here is 6. You can see the 6 pages. You can see download. You can see how we are going to download it, either with PNG, or we are going to download it with other things. So what we are going to do here now is to change this format PNG to PDF. You can see the standard PDF. So what type of PDF do you want to make? Do you want to make PDF standard or PDF for printing? You want to print this ebook, you click on that one. You want to make it for emailing and selling online, which is the one we are going to do. So all you need to do, just click on this PDF standard. They ask you how many pages do you want. You say all pages. We are done. Include notes? No. Flatten PDF? No. We are done. We have already put our book in PDF format. What we are going to do now is click on the download button and allow the magic to happen. And we allow it. Canva is doing the magic. Canva is doing the magic. Ladies and gentlemen, Canva has done the magic. We just created our ebook and it is done. It's asking you to, should I share it? Should I put it? You can share if you want, so that you can see where you save it on your file. Okay, so it is done. Congratulations. I have done my design. This is my design copy. You can see, copy the design and go. So this is it. I've done it. I'm going to close my window now. I'm going to my phone. I'm just showing you my phone. Let me go ahead and find where my PDF is, right? I'm just showing you my interface. Go to my file manager and search download WhatsApp document. It should be on my document, right? I'll just click on document. Now you can see the documents I have here. You can see the first one I saved now is work is work by Ifeanyi Chris. Do you see it here? Just click on it. Okay, okay, okay. This is my PDF drive. I've already done it on PDF drive, and you can see. Here we go. Here we go. This is our ebook. This is the ebook we just made with Canva, and that's it. This is the ebook we just made now with Canva, right? As pure and as beautiful as it is. I can decide to sell this ebook now and make my money. Assuming I put it on a good, I put good content inside this ebook, I can decide to use it and make money. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, this is how you make a professional ebook using